welcome back to my channel. It's Manhile here, and today, oh my snowman stinks. But anyways, we're gonna be making my snowman neon, and I am so excited. Once this is post, whatever it's called, posting. Oops, someone's at my door. Let me go get it really quickly. One moment. Alrighty guys, I am back, so let's continue. Where was I? Alright, I'm going to be making my snowman, I forgot what it was called. I'm going to make my snowman neon! So, let's go make him I can't talk right now. Let's go make him posting, or whatever it's called. But first, let's check out the ladybug area, because I haven't checked out fully. So as you can see, what was that noise? Anyways, as you can see, last time someone tried to scam me for my mega neon cat, which was not okay, because I don't know, I just want to keep my thingamabobs. I forgot what it's called. Oh my, there's ladybugs. Alrighty, let's see what this has to say. Ooh, ham, apples. This is technically the grocery store, but in the ladybug area. Alright, so I stacked up and I wasted some money for nothing. Okay, let's get out of this place and let's go do my snowman shorts. Cause let's do it. I don't know. Let's just go. Alrighty, so we're gonna go to the hot tub, which is right over there. Oh my! You guys hear that noise too, right? Wait, you guys hear that noise too? Oh my. Alrighty guys, we are at the snowman hot spring. Oh, that's what it's called, the hot spring. So, yeah. I'll tell you guys when my snowman is done. Alrighty guys, my snowman is done, and oh, he looks so cute. Oh, there's a little thermometer. Okay, let's just go to the hospital before it goes away. So, yeah, let's just go to the hospital. He's probably trying to sleep right now, so let's just go to the hospital. Oh my god, you guys can hear that too, or is it just me? It's probably just me. Alrighty. Okay. It's such a cute noise. It's going, oh. Aww. Look at my little snowman. Aww. Alrighty guys, I need to stop doing that and I need to focus. And snowman, I'm sorry, but you need to eat. Seriously? That's so annoying. Okay. Well, let's just go home and give him a shower and feed him. And by the time we get home, he's probably going to be done sleeping. Hopefully. So, let's teleport home. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty guys, we are home. And let's just go inside now. That was probably the worst transition ever, but don't judge me. I tried. No, I seriously tried. Okay, it's going to take a long time to come in here. Alrighty guys, we're here. Now let's get him up to the room and put him to sleep. And then we'll feed him his apple. Well, actually, let's feed him his apple now. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god. Okay, let's just... What? That was so crazy. Okay, whatever. Anyways, let's feed him his apple. What is going on? Did I just eat the apple? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god, that is so cute! Oh my god. Look how cute that is. Look how cute my snowman looks. Guys, I knew that there was oopsies. Oops. Oh my god, okay guys. I knew that there was going to be an update, but I didn't know what the update was. I'm so behind, guys. Like, literally. Okay. Anyways, he's almost done sleeping, and after I'm going to put him in the bathtub, and then I'm going to make him food and water. Oh, he's done. I love it The good thing is, whenever they're done sleeping, they pop up so you don't have to click twice. That is really good. Woo! Alrighty, guys. Oh my! I'm playing with slime. Sorry if you heard that crackle. Anyways, I'm putting my slime back, and he's gonna be eating right now. And then we're gonna take him to school because I really want to make my neon snowman, and it's gonna be really cool. So yeah, let's go to the school after he's done. Oh my gosh, guys! I didn't know that. I didn't realize this, but my snowman is already post-teen. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay, let's take out my next snowman. Come out. I forgot my snowman's name. Let's just bring the other snowman out. Alrighty, here we have Snowman. So let's wait for him to get some needs. So I'll be back when he has a lot of needs. Hopefully he has a lot of needs. Alrighty, guys. So my snowman doesn't seem to have a lot of needs. So he looks really tired. So I'm going to put him to sleep, and then we're going to do more needs because he might need to do more needs. Because I know after this he's going to want to take a shower because that's always what happens. So I'll tell you when he has a lot of needs again. Because obviously he doesn't have a lot of needs, sadly. Alrighty, guys. See you soon. Alrighty, guys. Sorry if you saw that other scene. I was watching TikToks while I was waiting because who else has the other time? So let's just do my snowman's needs right now because why not? He's pretty thirsty. Is my snowman still sleeping? Okay, good. He's not sleeping anymore. Let's go to the playground and then we'll go home so he can take a shower. So yeah. I'm too lazy to walk, so where's my snowman? Sorry for the big lag, guys. I promise you it's not my screen. It's not the game, it's the recording. So sorry if you see really big lag. Come on, guys. Oops. Oh my. Okay, I fell. Let's go. I don't know what I'm humming. Okay, come on, snowman. Let's have some fun. Ooh. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna fall off. I knew it. It's my snowman. Oh no. Okay. Oh, my snowman's having fun. Yay. Okay, let's go on the swing. Because if he's having fun. Oh my god, look how cute my snowman looks. He's so cute. Okay, I guess we're going to go camping now. So let's go on the camper van. Oh my. I mean, I guess we don't need to use the camping van anymore. Wait, I seriously didn't plan that. Okay, let's go camping. That's funny. I was literally hoping it would do that, but it didn't do it. But it did do it. Yeah, I don't make sense right now. But okay, I give up on talking. We're waiting for my snowman to sleep. He's sleeping with his eyes open. That's so funny. Oh, I fell. Alrighty, guys, let's go. Oh my, I forgot the camping. I totally forgot the camping. Oopsies. Okay, finish your camping and then let's go home. 3, 2, 1. All done. Alrighty, it's gonna take a long time for him to be posting. I have a lot of editing to do. I don't want to edit. No, I seriously don't want to edit. Sorry for not posting for a while. Oh my god, I just realized I don't know what's behind the bee factory. No, I seriously don't. So let's go check what's behind the bee factory. Like, I've only checked the bee factory. Oh, it's those things. Okay, whatever. Let's go then. Let's go to the playground or whatever. Let's get the camping van because I was going to use it to go here, but it doesn't matter now. Oh my! actually, yay. Wait, that's actually a good thing because we teleport home now. Alrighty. And I have no shirt. Okay. Anyways, my snowman just fell. That's funny. Alrighty. My snowman needs to teleport back to me, so... Oh my god. I just heard bees. Don't worry, you're taking a shower now. Oh my. We all saw that, right? I know you don't like to take baths. Oh. Is he sleeping? Oh, he's happy! Oh my god, that is so cute! Seriously? He just took a bath. I said he doesn't like it, but then he put a heart and he said, I love it. I should have named my snowman. I'm going to name it Snowflake. That's a cute name. Right? Snowflake. Snowflake. Oh my god, that is also so cute. No, I'm serious. That is adorable. Alrighty. Come on, snowman. I mean, snowflake. I'm so used to calling it snowman. Now I'm going to call it snowman. But it's snowflake. People name their animals while using the bath, right? Like in real life. Sometimes, maybe. I don't know, but there has to be at least one person out there who had to name their animal in their bath. Probably. I don't know. Okay, let's just forget about that. And let's use my roller skates. I haven't used roller skates for a long time. So, I don't know how to use these. Oh my god. I have to go to the hospital. Okay, let's have some fun before you go to school. Because everyone wants to have fun before they go to school. And now I have to take my roller skates off. Alright, hey. This is making him fun, I guess. At least, I think. I don't know. Alrighty, we're probably not going to make my team together. Especially at this time. Oof, my snowman's not feeling good. Let's go to the hospital. In this, whatever this is called. I know what it's called, I forgot what it's called. No, I seriously forgot. Okay, maybe I don't know. But I've used it before. Oh my! Come back here. My snowman ain't feeling good. Nope, come back here, come back. Alrighty. My snowman's eyes. I love this new update. I am obsessed with it. It is so cute. It is super cute. Okay, and then we'll go to school. Do people send their children to school while they're... Wait, why can't I feed my pet? Why can't I feed me pet? Oh, yay! Oh my god, that is cute. Oh my god. That's what I call cute. Alrighty. That heart was super cute. Okay, I have no clothes on, so let's just go to the Let's just go to the school and then I'll put some clothes on over there. Hopefully. Alrighty. I have nowhere. Oh, I can put them in the feeding. Let's put some clothes on, please. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! 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 I am all changed now. I actually have a shirt on this head. Oh, Snowflake's all done now. Guys, I had to edit a lot for that because it's hard to edit all this stuff. So, I'm doing this for you guys. Guys, I think we're going to end the video there. But if you like this video, I can't hear the ice cream truck. But if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I love you all so much. Bye! Mwah!